Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're making chilaquiles. These are the ingredients you will need. Let's start by cleaning our chiles, removing the tail, then boiling them. Once boiled, place them in a blender. You'll know they're boiled by the change of color. Do not get rid of your leftover water. In the same boiling pot of water, place your green tomatoes. Once your green tomatoes are boiled, place them in the blender. Make sure your green tomatoes do not burst. Do not get rid of your water just yet. In the same blender, add your garlic, add your chicken bouillon, add your cumin, add your oregano, add your salt. Finally, add 1 cup of your leftover water. Now blend. Now let's check how the sous chef is doing. Oh my god, so handsome. In a hot pan with oil, cook some onions. Once golden brown, put them in another bowl. Do not get rid of them. Once your onions removed, pour in your chile. Make sure to strain your chile. Once your chile is poured in, let it simmer on medium heat. Once your chile is bubbling, add your corn tortilla chips. Now I know this is not your typical fry your tortillas and add to your chilaquiles, but I find this method easier, less time consuming, and your chilaquiles won't be as greasy. Gently cover your tortilla chips with chile. Once they're covered in chile, serve them. They will soften up really quick. This next step is optional. What you want to do is fry an egg. Carefully spoon in some oil on top of the yolk. Make sure the yolk is still runny by the end. Your eggs will look like this, and once they're crispy at the bottom, you may remove them. Now for the toppings, add your crema, add your queso fresco, and finally add the onions you cooked. And voila, you have this beautiful plate of chilaquiles rojos. Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to also add me on TikTok. Bye!